Some restored cars have the look, but still require a bit of refinement and tuning to be road ready. In this case, our customer had this sweet 1969 Camaro restored, but driving it revealed that it still needed a bit of help. So it came to the V8 Speed Resto Shop for some final details. The car is sporting some cool part selections like a FiTech fuel-injected 454 Chevy V8 coupled to a Tremec TKO 500 5-speed transmission, all wrapped in a stock RS SS trim package. However, some of the last 5% details still needed to be addressed to make sure the car was ready for miles of trouble-free cruising. For example, the front tires rubbed the inner fenders when turning. The windshield washer system did not work. There were some loose radio wires and other nuisance items. The V8 Speed and Resto team discovered that the subframe had been damaged at some point and was still bent even after the restoration. After talking the situation over with the owner, the decision was made to replace it with a new subframe from Classic Industries. The V8 crew was able to leave the engine and wiring in place and removed the bent subframe from the bottom of the car. It was replaced quickly, fixing a variety of issues from the rubbing tires to the poor alignment of the front sheet metal and RS headlights. Once the car was reassembled, the team logged some miles on it, fixing details and refining the tune along the way. The result is a stunning 69 Camaro that now performs as well as it looks. Contact the V8 Speed Resto Shop for everything from tune-ups and maintenance all the way up to complete restorations and performance mods at v8speedshop.com/contact.